In this video, we're going to be checking out this tank. This is a extended water reservoir tank for your K-Cup coffee machine. And so basically what this does is your Keurig comes with a standard tank, which is, I want to say, between 55 and 60 ounces altogether. This one right here is going to extend your water to 114 ounces. So as you can see here, this is your K-Cup machine, and this is going to just slide in the same place as your tank, except it's going to have a double capacity. So 114 ounce water reservoir for the Keurig K-Cup Coffee Maker doubles the capacity of the traditional classic reservoir. You're able to brew 14 12-ounce cups of coffee with this bad boy. So the reservoir is made using a food-grade ABS material. So this is the box that it comes in, but just to show you what this looks like. So it's just a standard, if you have one of these already, you know that yours is going to zoom in right here. This one just extends out, giving you that double capacity here. So that's what the bottom looks like. You're going to want to make sure that you have this for the right K-Cup machine because there are different configurations, so just make sure that you're getting for the right one. But like I said, you're able to fill it up to here. It's got a max fill line in here, and this is the exact same material of everything that mine is, except it's double the capacity. So if you're looking for a way to double the capacity of your K-Cup machine, you're getting tired of filling up that water every other day, definitely check this out from Javoli.